Hello everyone, I'm Rashmi and I'm just out of the Mind Liberation Control workshop which was conducted by Manojkumar Nair for 5 days on Zoom. The beauty of this workshop cannot really be expressed in words. It has to be experienced by one and all. The 5 days of intensive transformational learning with Manoj has left me spellbound and yearning to learn even more. He shared with us innumerable techniques and tools to handle day to day issues like finances, health, relationship with family, relatives, friends, and a lot more. These are the tools that can be easily followed by everyone. A lot to do with altering your own mind state and using your own consciousness to move things in your life, to change things in your life. Manoj has gone beyond the course timings every single day to satisfy and answer questions to each one of us. He's also added more tools and techniques when required during the classes. Manoj, so blessed to have you in our lives. Thanks for being a great mentor and a teacher and a friend. God bless you always.